Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if you hear no sound coming out of your TELEFUNKEN J501 TV. First of all, make sure that your TV isn't muted. Your remote control has a dedicated mute button. Try pressing it and make sure that you see this icon on the screen. And if you still cannot hear any sound, try increasing the volume by pressing this button right here. If it's still not helping, go to settings. Now, to go to settings, first you have to open the dashboard by pressing home button, then scroll down to settings. Then here you have to select sound. And in sound menu, you'll be able not only to adjust the volume, but you can also choose the headphone or line out. Now use headphone to make sure that your speakers work properly. I'm not sure about the science behind this, but this way we can make the TV work properly. Then also you have the Dolby audio preset that may be interfering with your sound. If you have Dolby audio set to smart, try changing it to the movie or try turning it off basically. This will let you manually adjust the equalizer, which is located right here. If you open it, you'll be able to select either one of the presets for the equalizer, or you can also use the user equalizer, which is basically the custom equalizer, where you'll be able to manually adjust decibel for each frequency of your speaker. Try disabling dynamic bass, for example. Try enabling or disabling surround sound, and make sure that sound output, it is the most important part, make sure that the sound output is set to TV. And this should resolve your issue. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.